just stepped out to get some fresh air and listen to the lovely bird sounds, or the bird songs rather. But unfortunately the birds are getting a bit drowned out by the sound of the traffic. I've just got a busy road just over there with those trees there. I don't know if I can see any birds up there anyway. I can hear them, but I can't see them. They're up there somewhere. You can normally see foxes come on out of these bushes here, but there won't be any just yet because it's still a bit too late for them. Can you see any birds up there? No, can't see any birds.